Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best VR headsets that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Meta Quest 2. The Meta Quest 2, formerly known as the Oculus Quest 2, is the best VR headset for most people. It's one of the only VR headsets that runs completely on its own, without needing a PC or gaming console. This wireless freedom, alongside an affordable price, make it an accessible entry point into VR as a whole. Physically, the Meta Quest is simple, comfortable, and has good enough specs to provide a quality, but not stunning, all-around experience. Unlike more expensive VR headsets, the software in the Meta Quest is designed for simplicity. The Oculus Guardian system guides users through setup and creating a play space wherever there are no camera setup needed. Exiting the designated play space turns on pass-through, meaning you see the real world, and any potential obstacles you might be about to bump into. The Meta Quest is compatible with a ton of different software, from gaming platforms like Meta and Steam VR to other apps like Google VR, Oculus TV, and more. Moving on at number 4, we have Index. The Valve Index is one of the best VR headsets money can buy. It delivers superior audio, tracking, and controls when compared to most other headsets, but is best for users familiar with gaming and technical gear. The Valve Index controllers truly set the system apart from the competition. The controllers strap onto your hands, allowing for a full range of hand and finger motion. This is essential because the Valve Index can track individual finger movements, leading to a much more immersive, detailed experience while playing supported games like Half-Life: Alyx. Connected to a powerful PC, the Valve Index can play some truly stunning games like Elite, Dangerous and No Man's Sky. All of that precision leads to a complicated setup, however. The Valve Index has 2 base station sensors that need to be placed around your room to build the VR play space. Other parts of the setup have to be done via your computer. But if you are more technically minded, the complicated setup is more than worth it. At number 3, we have Vive Pro 2. The HTC Vive Pro 2 sets itself apart from the competition with sheer visual fidelity. It features a stunning display, with a much higher resolution and field of view than any of the competition. This makes the HTC Vive Pro 2 especially suited to gaming, as most non-gaming VR software cannot effectively leverage such detailed resolutions. Like the Valve Index, setup is rather complicated, with 2 base station sensors, and plenty of PC steps to go through. But once everything is set up, tracking and controls are excellent, and HTC offers tons of games and software through its Vive Port Infinity platform. At number 2, we have PlayStation VR. One of the oldest options on our list, PlayStation VR, or PSVR, strikes a great balance between cost, accessibility, and complexity. Like the Meta Quest 2, the PSVR is easy to use, easy to set up, and doesn't require too much technical know-how to enjoy. It's lightweight, comfortable, and doesn't leave any marking on most faces, even after long play sessions. As expected of a VR headset tied to a gaming console, the PSVR is all about games. There are dozens of excellent titles, including Batman, Arkham VR, Resident Evil 7, Beat Saber, Moss, Thumper, and Astrobot Rescue Mission. Anyone who finds the apps, ecosystems, or account syncing of other VR platforms annoying will appreciate the PSVR's "just give me the games" approach. It's in the Move controllers and single camera setup that the PSVR starts to show its age. And while the PS5 does support the PSVR, it doesn't support the Move controllers, making this headset more for PS4 users than anyone else. Sony has announced a PSVR 2, which will succeed this model and likely fully support the PS5. And finally at number 1. Labo VR Kit. The Nintendo Labo VR Kit isn't exactly virtual reality, at least not in the same sense as every other headset on this list. It's much more in the spirit of something like Google Cardboard, Legos, or even arcade games. For starters, half of the experience of the Labo VR kit is in the assembly. The kit includes tons of cardboard that you assemble yourself into 6 different VR controllers, headsets, and accessories to play games with. Each creation takes hours to craft, but thankfully the Labo software includes detailed 3D instructions you can touch through on your Nintendo Switch. Also unique are the games. Every game is designed to be played with 2 people. From controlling a bird looking for food to battling aliens with an oversized blaster, these games are short, fun, and kid-friendly. Some of the available 64 games aren't exactly VR, but do utilize the unique controllers of the Labo kit.